Keto Fit, Keto Powder, Keto Meal, Dr. Formulated. Wait, what? Okay, so everybody's favorite health food store, not to be mentioned, because, there's not supposed to be any photography, no camera work, no video, but I see tons of video and camera work all the time on YouTube. Anyways, this blows my mind. We got butter powder, Keto Fit, burns fat, fights cravings, and keto meal for a balanced shake. Okay, so while I was looking at this on the shelf, I was like, wait, what? I couldn't find anything. None of these are on Amazon just yet as of the making of this video. None of these are even on their website. How would you get these in the stores before they're on the Garden of Life website? This makes zero sense to me. But yeah, so looking it over, the butter powder, I was like, okay, I would definitely put that on probably everything. But then again, I was like, wait, $3.40-ish per ounce? Or does that say $3.69? Can't see anymore. $3.69 per ounce? Why on earth wouldn't I just take butter? Butter can hang out at room temperature for like ever as well. I mean, unless I'm in a ridiculously hot environment where the butter is just going to turn to liquid, in which case, hey, liquid pours on a lot of stuff easy too, so why would I need to buy a powder? But all that said, it says this is 100% natural butter. All the ingredients are from actual butter. There's like probiotics in it. I'll show you the label. All right, so we got the label here. And grass-fed butter powder. Organic grass-fed non-fat milk. Lactobacillus, plantarum, 1.5 billion. All are naturally occurring. So, yeah. Okay, anyways, I guess that's enough about this one. Don't really have much else to say about this, but I'm still befuddled that it's in a store and I can't find any information about it on their actual website. Looking at the keto meal here. What the heck does truly grass-fed whey protein mean? Trademark? Truly grass-fed trademark? What? And I googled that. I couldn't find any information about that either. It's not on their website either, as of the making of this video. Vanilla flavors. Okay, guys. Vanilla flavoring may come from a beaver anus. I mean, it says organic vanilla flavors. It doesn't say natural vanilla flavors, which is confusing and ambiguous, I believe is the proper word I'm looking for. BPA free, yay. Sea salt, yay. Stevia, maybe not, so yay. It says leaf, so I guess that's good. Grass-fed butter powder as well as the number one ingredient. So that's cool. I mean, I guess it's nicer to see more keto things taken off near me. Protein, 16 grams. Selenium, yay. But, yeah, I don't know, guys. Let's take a look at the last label. All right, let's see the keto one. Chocolate flavors, fair trade cocoa, sea salt, stevia. It's got Svetol, green coffee bean extract, ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, by the way, is a nightshade. No, not sure if you guys have nightshade sensitivities or if you know anything about it, but I got a video on that if you're interested. The quick one that we knew was a problem was nightshades made a lot of rashes for my wife. Anyways, looking through this, I don't know, guys. Looks pretty interesting. I was not able to actually taste test these. Right now it is the holiday season, and if you can imagine, I didn't have an extra $200 on me to try these out. I mean, this place has a pretty good return policy that I suppose I could have bought one, returned it after tasting it, bought one, returned it after tasting it, etc. But maybe I'll do that some other day. So interesting and sad and kind of messed up that there's zero information out there about these actual products on places like Amazon or their official Dr. Formulated Garden of Life website. But hey, new keto products is always exciting. I like that. Stay healthy, guys.